Piny owacho kokadho kuom migawo ma tuke biro siro tuke mag ANOCA Zone 5 mibiro bagi e boma ma Nairobi juma manyien. Rowere mok tin ne 300 mawuok e pinje 11 biro piem e kidienje 8 ka tukego ibiro yaw ayanga tich adek juma manyien kod jatend migawo mar tuke Salim Mvurya.
Sports is the biggest employer, and we have what takes. We have the managers now sitting pretty well in the National Olympic Committee of Kenya, who can take it to that level, and not who can, who will take it to that level together with the esteemed leadership.
It's important for the young athletes who will be here next week that this is the incubator, because we believe that the future athletes, the future champions like our brother here, come from these kind of games. And that's why we pay a lot of attention to these games, and we'd like to see more of them, because through these games, talent is identified,